I'm working for Vint, that's the research department of our company, and I'm doing research with a group of people. I'm leading the little research unit in the Netherlands. And what I do is write books, do research and present and talk about what we find out. Basically, of course, we are an IT company on IT, on the impact of IT on society, on companies, on people. Try to find out what could be the conclusion of all the new stuff that's on the market and how it will change businesses and that kind of thing. The crisis, of course. It was very interesting. I mean, if you're in business, it's painful. If you're doing research, it's very interesting. So it was on top of my mind for 2009, and it still is. If you look in history at big innovation eras, the steam engine, the train, etc. What you see there is that first you have a period where the economy blossoms. It goes very well, then you have a crisis, and then there's a second phase. And now we say we have the same phase now. So we have now the crisis. We have built an infrastructure called the internet. And the period we are now facing is using everything we have built past 30 years and take it into business. So we say this will be a totally different period than we have been experiencing 30 years to now. First of all, I would say eat your own dog food. If we talk about cloud source, the cloud, we should do it first. If we talk about the impact on Twitter, for instance, because all the customers are on Twitter, it's impacting business, we should go on Twitter. So, and that will change culture from inside out. Like Theme Park, it's very good that we do Theme Park. So we should be ahead of our customers and not led by our customers. I think that would be my number one. I would like to create a, let's say, a society strategy that's built on new media. I won't say convincing, because I know convincing doesn't work. Trying to inspire people, trying to lead by example, trying to tell everybody that this is important. Mobile, definitely mobile. Mobile. If you see, I don't know if you're using an iPhone or not. 2 billion downloads in such a small period. Innovation is not happening in companies anymore. It's happening on the mobile platform. Mobile platform will be more important than a laptop. And where is society? It's out there, but it's very, very small, and we have very little attention. I hope next year that everybody can follow it from their homes, and you shouldn't be having the feeling that you miss something. And I think what we should do is to create a digital environment that feels that actually being here, that would be very exciting. My message would be join the conversation on the internet. And a simple one would be, the question would be, are you on Twitter? Are you using TweetDeck to listen what your customers are saying? That kind of things I would ask. We are an IT company, and the future will see more IT than ever we've seen in history. So, and that's not one direction. There are many forces that will drive our society towards technology. And I think one of the most important is the need of creating a sustainable economy. And the only way we can create a sustainable economy is by the use of technology. So get rid of the atoms and put in the bits, digitalize the economy. So I think this will change the world in the next coming 20, 30 years, and it will not go away. So if you're in IT, and IT is growing, then, and there are opportunities, then there's a good future for society.